Hello guys, I am going to teach you how to convert the expression from prefix to infix. So let's quickly understand what is prefix. To write in a prefix form, so first we have to write the operator, then you have to write the operands in any order. So this is an example of prefix. So what is infix then? So infix is a type of expression which is a human readable form, that is we can understand. So let's see how to do it. Then first you have to take an operand and the operator, any operator here with a plus sign, then b. So this is an example of infix. So by this, let's move on to the rules of conversion of prefix to infix. So the first rule of conversion of prefix to infix is direction rule, that is read the direction. Take this as an example, that is plus ABC. So while solving it, we have to consider it from right to left, that is we have to solve from right to left. So C B A then plus sign. Okay, that is the first rule. Next, the second rule, output rule. So output rule means the method of writing the output of the expressions will be like, first we have to take the first top, then the operator will come in between, then the second top. So yeah, so let's take this example, that is this will be B as a first top, A as a second top, then this is as a operator. So it can be written as B plus then A. This is the way to write the output. So let's move on to the bigger example now. Okay, so this is the example we have taken, that is plus plus A in star star B C plus D E and F. So as I said, the first rule is that I have to do the direction, that we have to know the direction, that is from right to left. So first thing will come is F. So in I have to write here input F, then it is not a symbol, so I have to leave it blank, then the output will be same as F. And you know that you have to write the output in stack format. So yeah, next is E. So the E will come here, it is not a symbol, then you have to write here F E. Okay, so next is D, same F E D. Yeah, so yeah, next is plus symbol. They have to write here plus, you have to write here also because it is a symbol. So yeah, here and here, this is the thing where we have the second rule have to apply, that is F, the first top from the last end, that is D, and the operator that is here plus sign, then the second top, that is E. Yeah, and the brackets. This is the method of writing the output when the operator comes. Yeah, next let's continue the things, that is C. C comes here, it is not symbol. F D plus E, bracket come close, and C. This is the thing. Next is B. B F D plus E, C and B. This is the thing. Next thing is star. Okay, so it is a symbol, yes. So I have to write here as a plus symbol. Then you have to see that next two things, the last two operands, that is B and C. So I have to write it as F D plus E, bracket. First I have to write B, then multiple sign into then C. So this is the way to write here. Okay, so let's continue. Next is again star. So now there are no individual operands, there are collective operands now. So that is this will be the one top and this will be the second top. So in that case we have to write F. First we have to write this B into C, then we have to write this into sign, then D plus E, then I have to complete again on bracket here. This is the way to write it if the two, there are no like individual operands in the outputs. So yeah, next A, as it is we have to write it in the end of this. So we'll write F B into C, then into bracket D plus E, bracket close, A. Yeah. So this is thing. Next, plus symbol. So plus, here I have to write plus, then, so now what are the two things you have to consider, that is this one and this one. This will be the first top, this is the second top. So yeah, let's write it. F, oh oops, A plus, we have to write this bracket B into C into bracket D plus E bracket. Now whole I have to write again a bracket. Yeah, this is a thing. So at last one more plus sign. So let's see, plus, here also plus. So yeah, let's see here how to write it. See now this whole becomes first top and this will become the second top. So we have to write in this manner, that is A plus bracket B into C bracket into D plus E bracket, so many brackets. Then what is that, plus, do it correctly, plus F. Yeah, so the answer is, final answer is brackets plus A plus brackets, then B into C into brackets D plus E, the all brackets close, plus F. So this is the answer, and this is how we can convert the expressions or any expressions from prefix to infix.
In this video, we will learn how to convert a prefix expression into a postfix expression. By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert any prefix expression into a postfix expression step by step. We know the rules, right? The direction that has to be followed is right to left, and the order is first top, second top, and operator. OP means operator. Let us solve a problem. So now here we have an example, minus star AB plus CD. Okay. Now how do we solve it? The first rule, what is the first rule? You have to go from right to left. You have to start from, this is the left for me and this is the right. Okay. So we have to start from here. Start reading the elements from here. The first thing that you put, D. Input you have taken as D and there is no symbol, so you are simply pushing it into the stack. Push the operand into the stack you have put on. D has been pushed over here. Then you have C also you will push it. Okay, D, first you have D, then C, right? So in the same manner I am doing it over here. Okay, C is done, D is done, C is done. Now we get an operator. When you get an operator symbol plus, see plus, what you have to do? You have to follow the order, first top, second top, and operator, right? So which is the first top? This is the first top. This is the element that is present at the top now. This is first. And this is second. Right? This is the second. Second. So what you will do? First top, second top plus operator. So what it will be? You will have C, D and plus. Got it? Next we have B. Now this becomes one element type. Okay, this becomes like one stack. Next we have B. B is an operand. Simply push it into the stack. You have B over here. This is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. Okay. Now we have B. B, you're done. Now A. Next, simply push it into the stack. Again, you get an operator star. So what you have to do now? This is the first top. This is the second top. Simply put it the same way. This will be like this itself. Don't consider this because we already have A and B, right? So keeping the same as it is, we are taking A is the first top, B is the second top, and operator. Right. Again, we have another operator minus. Okay. So minus, what you will do? First, this is the collection now. This is, okay, this is first top and this is second top, right? This is the second top. So first top, second top, and operator. Okay, minus. Our final answer that we get after the conversion is AB star CD plus minus. This is the postfix expression. We had the prefix expression as star AB plus CD and we have converted it into a prefix expression from postfix expression. Using this method, you can convert any prefix expression into postfix quickly and accurately. That's all for the topic.